And now we're getting in some breaking news. Kabaddi player Rohit Chillar's father has surrendered before the Delhi police. Rohit Chillar and his parents both in fact have been accused of abetment of suicide after his wife committed suicide at their residence. Rohit and his parents in fact were allegedly physically and mentally torturing her because her family failed to give them a car in the dowry. Anindo Banerjee joins us for the very latest. Anindo, finally, the father of Rohit Chillar, surrendering himself before the Delhi police after evading all sorts of questions regarding, the threats that his wife had made in the suicide note.
Well, that's true, Avantika. Ever since yesterday when India has been at the forefront of exposing how the audio message which has been extremely haunting, by the way, and they have been accused both Rohit Chillar himself, a pro kabaddi player, a star player, and his father, and the entire family, to be precise, have been accused of abetment of suicide. They have been on the run, but now since they've succumbed to the pressure and his father has surrendered before the Delhi police, he has been taken into custody. But even as we speak, Rohit Chillar himself is still on the run, and Delhi police is trying his best. They have formed 3 teams at least in different directions, have been sent in 3 different directions to make sure that he is brought to this other earlier.
Okay, so the law finally catching up with the alleged culprits for now. Anindo, thank you so much for joining us. We'll just tell you what exactly is this story all about in case you have missed it. This is a story of a young woman who got married after she fell in love with Rohit Chillar, and then she finally committed suicide within months of her marriage, all because she was being tortured by her husband and her in-laws for dowry.
Papa, मेरे को पता है आप कैसे रहोगे. I'm sorry. आपने मुझे बहुत प्यार किया, मेरी हर बात मानी. I'm sorry. मुझे पता है मैं चाहती कुछ भी बन सकती थी, मन नहीं है और अब तो दिमाग भी नहीं है. मन और दिमाग पर तो सिर्फ रोहित का कब्जा है पापा.
A daughter's message that will haunt her father forever.
I'm sorry.
Her tears, her sobbing voice, her last words just before she killed herself.
Please.
Lalita was found hanging from a ceiling fan. In her death, leaving behind a big question. Is the value of a young girl's life less than a car? The 27-year-old was head over heels in love with the pro Kabaddi League player Rohit Chillar. The couple got married in March this year. Lalita hanged herself from a ceiling fan at her Delhi home late Monday. Who tormented this young bride and compelled her to allegedly take her life in a short span of 7 months of a marriage? Here is the answer in Lalita's own voice. She taped this conversation moments before the alleged suicide.
उसका करियर बर्बाद हो जाएगा, नौकरी, गेम सब खत्म हो जाएगा. नहीं, जब मैंने इतना कुछ सहकर उनकी मार, अब देखो उसके पापा से बेटा, उसकी मम्मा से बेटा, रोहित ने मारा. अब ये सोच लो, रोहित को आपने मुझे मेरा हाथ दिया, मुझे दिया, रोहित ने अपना सोचकर मुझको मार दिया. मुझे पता है मेरी ये सब बातें आपको बहुत ही गंदी और बेकार लग रही है, पर मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. मुझसे नहीं होगा. मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगी रोहित को तकलीफ में, मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगी उसको पुलिस के साथ.
Lalita was reportedly tortured mentally and physically for a car.
और पापा, वो गिफ्ट हमारा है, रोहित का है. गाड़ी उसे दे देना, वहाँ उसकी वॉच भी है और सब उसी का है. भगवान की मेहर है ना हमारे पे, तो हमेशा बहुत दिया है भगवान ने हमें, आगे भी देंगे. पापा, उसे कुछ भी मत कहना. मैं जानती हूँ आप तो ये भी नहीं चाहोगे कि वो मुझे आग दे, मैं चाहती हूँ कि रोहित ही मुझे जलाए।
बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटली टॉर्चर करा उसने, हद से ज़्यादा। इसलिए मेरी बहन ने इतना बड़ा कदम उठाया कि अरे मेरे से नहीं जिया जाएगा, मेरे साथ इतना बुरा हो चुका, मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी, क्या करूँगी।
डिमांड पे बढ़ती जा रही थी। पहले छोटी गाड़ी की डिमांड की, उसके बाद बड़ी गाड़ी की डिमांड की। 3 गाड़ियाँ उसको दे चुके, होंडा सिटी तक हम उसको दे चुके हैं, लेकिन उनकी कोई डिमांड कभी पूरी नहीं हुई।
Her last words asking her father to forgive Rohit, but her family clearly is in no mood to let her husband and in-laws get away, as they say, with murder.
Police have registered a case and an investigation is on under an SDM, even as Rohit and his parents are on the run ever since, making their role in Lalita's suicide case even more suspicious. With OP Shukla and Chirag Goti, I'm Monindo Banerjee for India Today.